Yes, I am
You can
recording it.
record the session.
I am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
Thank you. So when I was talking about Muhammad Ali ने I am a champion हमें सोफे पे बैठ के, गार्डन में बैठ के या सेमिनार में खड़े होकर के नहीं कहा था, but he was shouting this continuously, I am a champion in the ring itself. The same thing for us. घर से बोल करके क्या सिर्फ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग काम आ जाएगी? No, it will not. अगर मैं सिर्फ पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग will work, so I can say, oh, I am a doctor, I can do wonderful operation, kidney operation, ऐसे ही कर दूंगी, positive thinking. लेकिन मैं किसी की जान ले लूंगी because I am not a doctor, isn't it? So this positive thinking will not work in this way. I should learn that skill. I should be in that field, and then I can say I have to remind me about my skills. Then I can say yes, I can do it. I don't know how many of you heard about Hanumanji's story. He also forgot his own skills, you know. उनको भी याद दिलाना पड़ा था. ऐसे ही हमको अपने आप को अंदर बार बार, जब भगवान को याद दिलाना पड़ता है तो हमें अपने आप को याद दिलाना होगा कि yes, I can do it. So don't worry, things will get over. I don't know how many of you had heard about Michael Phelps, swimmer. Phelps, swimmer, Olympic champion, world champion, Michael Phelps. In the Beijing Olympic 2008, he won 8 gold medal. He won 8 gold medal. And आपको विश्वास नहीं होगा, उनका जो 2008 में बीजिंग ओलंपिक होना था, उसके कुछ समय पहले, few months ago, somewhere in 2007, he fell down and he broke his wrist. उनका wrist ये हो गया था. There was a lot of swelling in the wrist. Can you imagine? He was already 6 gold medal के साथ वो पहले ही champion थे. He was trying to break his own record. लेकिन गिरने से हाथ फ्रैक्चर हो गया. Doctors told him, now you cannot swim. You cannot go in the water again. सोचो कितना वो बचपन से मेहनत करते आ रहे थे इस बात को, और अपना रिकॉर्ड तोड़ना था उन्हें. But this happened and he said, no, I will swim. Just in few days, he's back in the pool. He's back in the water. Only thing is, उन्होंने एक अपने रिस्ट को बचाने के लिए एक तरह का किकबोर्ड बना लिया था, where he is not using his hands. He learned only to swim with his legs and the breathing technique. And let me tell you what happened in 2008 Beijing. He already won 6 gold medals. The 7th one, when he was in the pool, he was in the water, and he saw उसके आगे जो साइबेरिया का स्विमर था, वो उससे कुछ आगे था. And ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो ही जीत जाएगा. Crowd was cheering for him, and public was with that swimmer. Suddenly, what happened in Michael Phelps' mind, and उन्होंने एक बार अपने पैर को जोर से झटका देके और जो आगे बढ़े, and he won that gold medal with 100th of the second. When I say 100th of the second का 100वां हिस्सा. I'm not a physician or a mathematician. I really don't know how they calculated it, but that's how he won that gold medal. So I really wanted to, कुछ भी कभी भी हो सकता है. The only thing is, believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself, and you can do wonders. And then after this, his coach said that yes, at one point it looks like this guy is never going to win that 7th gold medal. But ओनली रीजन वाई, क्योंकि उन्होंने वो एक स्किल सीख ली थी जब उनका रिस्ट टूटा था. समन्स माइक्रोफोन इज ऑन. तो उन्होंने वो एक स्किल सीख ली थी जब उनके रिस्ट में फ्रैक्चर हुआ था कि, एंड दैट इज हाउ. और उसके बाद यू विल आल्सो सी दैट ही इज द वर्ल्ड चैंपियन इन butterfly stroke. That's how. So you know, the champions are made in adversity. चैंपियंस कब बनते हैं? जब एडवर्सिटी फेस करते हैं हम लोग. You know, if you see all the athletes, they are not there to break others record, but वो अपना खुद का record break करते हैं हर बार. When they run, they break their own records. So अगर अभी भी हमारी ऐसी सिचुएशन आई है, द एडवर्स सिचुएशन आई है, तो इसी में ही हमें अपना रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करके आगे आना है. This is the best time. I can guarantee you, after 3 to 4 years, you will see lot of heroic stories of this adverse condition, and there are people climbing up on the pyramid. And in the pyramid, only those people will go who are very good in their willpower, in their, the attitude, the positive attitude towards life. That is what we have to keep in our mind. So, you have to embrace the fear. Dar ke aage jeet hai. I mean, recently I made a YouTube video also on Dar ke aage jeet hai. I will request everyone, please follow the link which Dr. Vijaya is giving to you. If you like, please like and subscribe. Definitely it will. I am coming up with all such motivational part in that YouTube channel. So there is one skill, and the second very important is learn to overcome your self doubt. ये जो self doubt है, ये ही हमको सबसे ज्यादा नीचे करा देता है, सबसे ज्यादा यही हमको पीछे से खींच लेता है. And self doubt आता क्यों है? Just because of the others. I don't know how many of you heard about the story of a frog. This is a frog. I call him Chotu. मैं उसको छोटू बोलती हूँ. One day, our Chotu was going with all the other frogs from one pond to another pond. On the way, it happened that there was there was a नीचे एक बड़ा गड्ढा था, और suddenly हमारे जो छोटू फ्रॉग के साथ 7-8 जो और भी फ्रॉग्स थे, उस गड्ढे में नीचे गिर गए. And when all these frogs fell down, जो गड्ढा था वो बहुत गहरा था, अंधेरा गड्ढा था. And they started to climb up again and again. The frogs who were on the top, they started shouting, नहीं हो पाएगा, do not climb, you will fall down, मर जाओगे, वही रह जाओ, बहुत मुश्किल है. And they were continuously talking about this from outside. And the frogs who were climbing, they were listening to those frogs and say, oh my god, इतने ऊपर चढ़ना है, ये लोग बता रहे हैं अंधेरा है, I cannot see anything. And literally some of the frogs started giving up. धीरे धीरे कुछ frogs ने नीचे ही रहना समझा. If this is our destiny, we should stay in this well only. We shouldn't climb up. There are some frogs who started working on the willpower और धीरे धीरे क्लाइंब करे. पर जैसे जैसे वो ऊपर चढ़ने लगे, ऊपर आवाजें और तेजी से उन्हें सुनाई देने लगी, और तेजी से आवाजें आ रही थी, नहीं आ सकते, अरे बहुत ऊपर आना है, बहुत मुश्किल होगा, तुम लोग थक जाओगे. Those frogs also gave up. There was this small frog Chotu who was continuously moving up and up and up. And finally, the only frog to come out from there was our Chotu. जब छोटू बाहर आया, everyone started cheering up, everyone started clapping. Wow, wonderful, you did it. कैसे किया तुमने? इतना मुश्किल काम था, तुम बाहर कैसे निकले? Chotu was just watching them, saying nothing. They asked again and again and again. He was not saying. Finally, it turned out that our Chotu was deaf and dumb. ना सुन सकता था, ना बोल सकता था. So you know what happened in this particular, why I told you this story. बाकी सारे फ्रॉग्स ने औरों के थॉट्स ले लिए, औरों की बातें ले ली, अपने अंदर रख लिया कि आई कैन नॉट डू इट, मैं बाहर नहीं निकल सकता, और वो जो सेल्फ डाउट आने लग गया जस्ट बिकॉज अदर्स आर सेइंग इट. That's what I really wanted to tell you. Do not give your remote control to others. Others shouldn't decide that आप successful होंगे या नहीं होंगे. You know, if you had taken up the goal, start climbing up, start moving up. And that's what Chotu was doing over here. So I'm sure you'll like my story on this particular part. So that's what the motivation. So whenever I talk about the motivation, right now Meenakshi ma'am bhi baat kar rahi thi motivation ki. So motivation we get from two ways. I mean, one is extrinsic, हमें बाहर से मिलता है, and the another motivation we talk about is intrinsic, from inside, हमारे अंदर से हमें अपने आप मिलता है वो motivation. Now, let me explain you with very simple example. How many of you agree with me on that? That the base of the car running is the fuel. उसके अंदर का पेट्रोल या डीजल. Even if the garage में खड़ी कार हो या शोरूम में नई से नई कार हो, कितना भी अच्छा हो, कितना भी कुछ हो, अगर आपने देखा होगा जो गैरेज, वहां से अगर कार को आपको बाहर निकालना है, अच्छे से अच्छा ड्राइवर मिल जाए, आपके पास चाबी है, ब्रांड न्यू कार है, ऑल द मशीन्स आर वर्किंग वेल, बट यू नीड दैट फ्यूल. और अगर फ्यूल खत्म हो जाता है कार में, तो यू गो टू द फ्यूल स्टेशन एंड रिफिल इट, राइट. अगर रास्ते में खत्म हो जाता है तो यू आस्क पीपल टू गिव यू द पुश, राइट. लोगों से धक्का लगवाते हैं और आप फ्यूल स्टेशन तक उस कार को लेकर के जाते हैं. बट टेल मी, लोग कितनी बार आपको धक्का लगाने के लिए आएंगे? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू विल गेट दैट पुश? दिस पुश इज नथिंग बट द एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन. वी गेट एक्सटर्नल मोटिवेशन when I get wonderful marks in my exam. When my professor said, wow, well done, lovely project. When my friend says, oh, your dress is looking nice, your skin is looking nice, या मुझे प्रमोशन मिल गया, मुझे सैलरी मिल गई, या मुझे कोई अवार्ड मिल गया, recognition मिल गया, isn't it? Then I am highly motivated. But ये कितनी बार आएगा? क्या हर महीने मुझे हर रोज मुझे सैलरी मिलेगी? नहीं, it is once in a month. हर रोज मुझे प्रमोशन मिलेगा? No, it is once in a year or maybe in 2 years. या क्या मुझे हर रोज एक अवार्ड मिलेगा? No, it's once, right? However, I have to get motivated every day. अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि मोहम्मद अली या माइकल फेल्प्स ये अगर कोई चैंपियनशिप जीते तो कितना? I told you 100th of the second. In a second, people will win the game. पर उस 1 सेकेंड या उस 15 सेकेंड के लिए उन्होंने 15 साल डाले हैं, और वो 15 साल तक कैसे मोटिवेटेड रहे उसको करने के लिए. 15 years they had put, more than 15 years some of them. If you read about Michael Phelps, I am a big fan of him. He said there is no Sunday, no Diwali, no Christmas, no holiday. Every day he was in the pool. 6 साल की उम्र से उन्होंने स्विमिंग स्टार्ट किया था, बिकॉज उनकी माँ ने उनको स्विमिंग में डाला. he got that ADHD, अटेंशन डेफिसिट जिसको बोलते हैं, extremely impulsive nature था उनका, and that's the reason he was into the swimming. He also said that I love golf. I asked my mom about the golf, but she said no, you have to do swimming, और मैं swimming करता रहा. He did that swimming for more than 15 years, and then वो एक कुछ सेकंड में, हम तो देखते in 4 seconds he won that particular competition. So that is what, जो रोज ये मोटिवेशन कहाँ से आएगा? रोज तो हमें वो कंपटीशन नहीं मिलता, रोज हमें अवार्ड नहीं मिलेगा, रोज हमें नहीं मिलेगा. that something comes under intrinsic, आपके अंदर का self motivation. You have to be self motivated. You have to You have to overcome your self-doubt. You have to start taking risk. You have to learn new skill. आपको अपने आप पर भरोसा करना पड़ेगा. Believe in yourself. And I will always say ये negative, बाहर ऐसा नहीं है कि बाहर negativity नहीं है. Surrounding, there is like negative people, there are positive people around you. You are surrounded by all the thoughts are bombarded on you. आपके अंदर सारे थॉट्स आते रहते हैं कंटिन्यूअसली. इट इज आपके पास आपका अपना फिल्टर होना चाहिए. वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल में अगर आपको एक बहुत छोटे से एग्जांपल से, आई हैव 5 minutes more, 5 to 10 minutes more, Dr. Vijaya. Dr. Vijay, do I have 5 to 10 minutes more?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can continue,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No problem.
Sure.
5 minutes.
So when I talk about very simple example, when I say आज मैंने आपको इतना बात कर दिया कि you are charged up, I'm sure 100% आज आपने कहा यार साला दम है मुझ में, मैं करके दिखा सकता हूँ, I can go and do wonders. I am 100% sure. If I ask you, you will come along with me to the Himalayas also. That's what I have, like, you know, मैं अपने आप पे इतना विश्वास भी रखती हूँ. If I motivate you, you can do it. However, अभी मैम मीनाक्षी मैम was also telling us that इनको थोड़ा kind of session देके कि हम motivate करेंगे, इनको आगे लेके आएंगे. लेकिन do you think this you will get every day? No. This will once in a month, twice in a month. हो सकता है हर हफ्ते एक बार आकर के मैं आपसे बात कर सकती हूँ, या आप कोई मैगजीन पढ़ लेंगे, वीडियो देख लेंगे, टीवी देख लेंगे, or maybe you talk to your friend. That is all external, which you will get sometimes. अंदर से ही आपको करना होगा, खुद को अपने आप पर विश्वास रखना होगा. You are the unique model made by God. The only model made by God is you. Limited edition भी नहीं हो आप. आपके जैसा दूसरा दुनिया में कोई नहीं बना. आपके जैसा कोई किसी को भी दुनिया में भगवान खुद नहीं बना सका किसी और को. Why don't you prove your uniqueness to the world? Why don't you show that you are unique? Believe and you can do wonders. The only thing you have to do is stop listening to all the negative voices. Start listening to your positive voice. इसका एक basic example अगर मैं आपको देती हूँ, just imagine now this, like today is Saturday and Sunday, एक छुट्टी का दिन है, and we clean our house. Most of us like Saturday, Sunday, weekend पे बहुत साफ सफाई निकाल रहे हैं. We clean our house. Your house is spick and span clean, wonderfully done. And now you also took shower. Now it's like almost 12:30. You want to take your lunch. सब कुछ हो गया, घर भी, you're very happy to see around. Wow, सब कुछ अच्छा हो गया. अब मैं खाना खाता हूँ या खाती हूँ. And once you started taking your lunch, doorbell बजता है. When you open the door, your neighbor is standing with the dustbin. आपका नेबर एक डस्टबिन के साथ खड़ा हुआ है. जैसे ही दरवाजा खुलता है, सारा कचरा आपके घर में फेंक देता है. I'm sure you will get angry. पूछोगे भाई क्या क्यों किया? Why are you doing it? Your neighbor is saying ऐसी मेरी मर्जी, मेरे घर ज्यादा था, मैंने डाल दिया. Probably again and again it will happen. Like, you know, आप उससे बहुत झगड़ा करोगे. Finally you get your house clean again. You take shower again. Okay, so this happened one Sunday. Now let's talk about next Sunday. The next Sunday, same story. You clean your house. सब आपने ठीक कर लिया, सब अच्छा हो गया. And then suddenly आप नहा धो करके बैठे हो. Last काम है खाना खाना. Bell बजता है. This time also you open and you see your neighbor is standing with the dustbin and he throws. Again you fight. You give him one box. I know बहुत सारे लोग आप में से सोच रहे होंगे कि मैम हम तो एक देंगे अच्छे से उसको, हम पुलिस कंप्लेंट कर देंगे, हम झगड़ा करेंगे. मुझे ये भी आंसर्स मिले हैं कि हम ना उसके घर गुलाब का फूल लेकर के जाएंगे. वो कचरा फेंक रहा है, हम उसको गांधीगिरी, right? But tell me how long this will work? Every time, every Sunday, the same story is repeating. Finally, you will say, I will peep from the eye hole. I will check whether the person is standing with the dustbin or the person is standing with the flower. If the person is standing with the dustbin, I will never open the door. But if the person is standing with the flower in the hand, I will definitely open the door. So I just want to ask you, if you are not going to open the door for the person who is standing with the dustbin, जो कचरा लेकर के आपके दरवाजे पर खड़ा है, उसके लिए आप दरवाजा नहीं खोल रहे, तो हम अपने दिमाग का दरवाजा लोगों के लिए क्यों खोलें? Why should we open our door of the mind? हम अपने दिमाग का दरवाजा लोगों के लिए नहीं खोलेंगे, नेगेटिविटी के लिए नहीं. Please close all the doors of your mind, because there is a theory, garbage in and garbage out. जो अंदर डालेंगे वही बाहर निकलेगा. और वो कचरा आप कह भी दोगे कि आई क्लीन, मैंने सब साफ कर लिया, कचरा डाला था, बिलीव मी, कहीं पर भी अगर थोड़ा भी कचरा रह गया, it is going to stink, and finally that stink will come from us only. So do not open the door for any negative thoughts around you. Just if someone is standing with flower pot, flower, yes, you're welcome. आप आओ, अच्छी बात करो, नेगेटिव बातों के लिए हमें दरवाजा नहीं खोलना है. But we are so habitual to open our doors for negative things. ऐसा नहीं कि पड़ोसी, I mean we open our door for the TV news. अभी TV news में अगर मैं देख लूंगी तो मुझे तो डर लगता है कि कल का सुबह होगी कि नहीं. I will be alive or not. कोरोना, जो lakhs of people are facing this corona, मुझे भी 100% हो जाएगा. नहीं अगर ये हुआ तो चाइना आके मेरे पे बॉम्ब डाल देगा. अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो someone like और कोई कुछ चीजें होने वाली है, मेरा नौकरी चला जाएगा, मेरा ये होगा. Believe me, please close your door for that negativity. Do not open the doors for that negativity. You can do wonders. You can do wonders. You know, when I say you can do wonders, believe me, I don't know. एक शख्स है जिनकी अगर मार्कशीट अगर हम देखेंगे, he got 56 in English, for maybe something 47 in psychology, 48 in philosophy. और अगर आप उस शख्स को अगर आप देखते हैं, he is, जिनको हम सब लोग आज सल्यूट करते हैं, मास्टर ऑफ मास्टर स्वामी विवेकानंद. ही वॉज एवरेज स्टूडेंट. उनको बहुत सारी चीजें थी, लेकिन उन्होंने उसके बाद उस सब चीज को ओवरकम करके आज वी टॉक अबाउट हिम. There are so many examples from history. So the only thing I can say is believe in yourself and you can do wonders. Do not give your remote control to others. I am sure there is a lot to talk in this session. मैं चाहूँ तो और 2 घंटे कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन हम लोग अब because of the time crunch, I'm stopping it over here. Do you have any questions? You can ask me now.
Students, any questions?
It's
Even
okay.
faculty can ask questions.
Students also you can ask, no problem. I am happy. मुझे अच्छा लगेगा कि मुझे एक younger generation is also listening to me. They have immense potential in them.
Yes, Rahul, Shravan, Shubham, any questions?
मराठी मध्ये पण चालणार मला.
Yes, ask in Marathi language.
मैम मेरे पास क्वेश्चन नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम आपका सेशन सुन के.
थैंक यू.
इतना अच्छा लगा.
आशा किरण जी.
हाँ जी
हाँ जी
जो प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल्स आप बता रहे थे इतने अच्छे, मतलब हार्ट टचिंग थे कि ऐसे लग रहा था कि आपका कितने भी घंटे सुनते रहे फिर भी सुनने का मन कर रहा था.
एकदम प्रैक्टिकली बात कर रहे हो आप, एकदम प्रैक्टिकली, नो भाषण, नो स्पीच, कुछ नहीं.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि आप सुपरफिशियल बातें कर रहे हैं. आप इतना अच्छा बात कर रहे थे कि प्रैक्टिकल आपके मन से आ रहे थे बातें. बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मजा आ गया मैम आपका सेशन सुन के.
थैंक यू
वेरी मच.
आई एम सो हैप्पी ऑन दैट पार्ट.
थैंक यू मैडम.
थैंक यू. एनीवन एल्स? कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी के पास?
Yes, any other students? Students, any questions?
ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है जो सिली क्वेश्चन है. बिलीव मी, ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मुझे भी बहुत क्वेश्चंस थे. जब मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते तो मैं दो वे में सोचती हूँ. एक, या तो इतना खराब हुआ कि किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, दैट्स व्हाई नो क्वेश्चंस, या इतना अच्छा हुआ कि सुपर, बिल्कुल सारे पॉइंट्स क्लियर हो गए, नो डाउट्स. तो नो स्टडी, नो डाउट्स, और एक्सट्रीमली सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया. एंड आई एम
सब क्लियर है मैडम, इनको सब कुछ क्लियर है.
आई एम अ वेरी पॉजिटिव पर्सन, सो आई विल टेक इट, सब कुछ क्लियर है.
Okay, ma'am. I think students are not opening up. They have the questions. We'll take it offline later. If they are having any questions, they will put those questions.
Any faculty member?
Thank you very much, ma'am. It was a really excellent session, and I now request Professor Ramesh Kumar Mehta, who is the coordinator for this session, to propose a vote of thanks. Over to you, Mehta sir.
Thank you, Mehta madam. I am deeply humbled to propose vote of thanks. At the outset, I humbly and profoundly thank Archana Sastry madam for coming and taking session on personal effectiveness for success and speaking at length to our students and faculty members about this topic. And it was, madam, it was a very, very informative and session with lot of insights, how to develop, how to control, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation.
Thank you.
I propose my thanks to Dr. T.J. Sawant sir, JSPM TSSM Founder Secretary, Dr. Ravi Joshi sir, Director JSPM, Dr. Sudhir Bilare sir, Campus Director, Tatavade Campus JSPM, Ravi Sawant sir, President JSPM and TSSM, our own beloved Dr. R.K. Jain sir, Director Principal Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering, Professor Devasali sir, Deputy Director JSPM Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering, our own Dr. Amay Chaudhary sir, HOD JSPM Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering MBA Department, and I at the last even thank my faculty members who spared their valuable time in joining this webinar, and my sincere thanks to all the student participants for coming over and joining this webinar on personal effectiveness for success. Thank you so much, ma'am, and we will be looking forward for so many sessions from you for our overall development and personal effectiveness for success. So thank you so much, and thanks for being over JSPM Rajashri Sahu College of Engineering. Thank you so much. It's over to Mehta madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. We are really privileged to have here, and thank you for your valuable time. Thank you very much.
With your permission.
With your permission, ma'am, we'd like to
1 minute.
conclude this session. Yes, ma'am. You can take.
Last 1 minute. I will request everyone. You can follow me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is there. Mehta madam will give. Yes, YouTube shared already. Thank you for that. Actually, giving my YouTube link over here. Please like. Thank you.
Ma'am, before we conclude, I request Amay sir to give the concluding remarks. Amay sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. You have given the very good examples, and these emotional things and psychological aspects are to be discussed, and you have initiated the thinking process in the minds, and definitely this will be very fruitful to the students. They will also keep on experimenting all these things in their real life, and definitely there will be wonderful results, wonderful outcomes of this session. So I think this is like a very good learning experience for all of us, and thank you very much for coming and sharing your views. Once again, I thank madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving the session. Over to Mehta madam.
Thank you, sir. Okay, for all the participants, the link for certificates is shared here. So you can collect your certificates by clicking on the link and just put your name properly in the form. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. So with your permission, ma'am, you would like to say anything further, ma'am? Archana ma'am?
I am humble that आप सबने इतनी देर मुझे सुना 1 घंटे तक. That's very wonderful for me. Thank you.
With your
And for the
permission.
students, one announcement. Today evening, 6 o'clock, Mr. Abhishek Lahare, our alumni from TCS, he will interact with you. So please join today's session at 6 p.m. All the students.
With your permission.
Thank you. Thank you,
Madam,
ma'am.
with your permission, Archana ma'am, with your permission, would like to conclude this session, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you, MS sir. Thank you, all the faculties.